Hi there, this is Tracy. I want to show you what's in my plein air painting bag and how I keep it so light. I have this old laptop bag that I've been using for the last couple of years for plein air painting. I find it really useful because it has a lot of pockets and it's really light, and it has this section that you're supposed to put a laptop in that I keep my plein air box in. So first of all, I'll show you what my plein air palette box, which is Plein Air Supply Company, and let's see, it's got painting that needs cleaning out. And so this is a really lightweight palette box that fits very nicely onto my lightweight aluminium easel. And so this goes into the main pocket of my bag. Then I keep my paints in an old sweet container from the shop. It's a recycled plastic container. And I keep a limited palette in here. I like to work with a limited palette, and it makes sense when you're out and about to keep it light. I also have my palette knife in here for mixing. Please excuse the noises. I'm outside on the stoep. It's load shedding in South Africa, so hopefully there won't be too much noise, but there's still a few cars driving past, and there are builders on each end of the block that are shouting, banging, etc. So I'll go through my palette in another video. Here are my paints. They fit in here, inside container. Then I have an inside of an old tin foil roll, and that's that I've closed the end with some sticky tape, and I put my brushes in there. They go down the side. My Turps container also goes inside. This has a good tight clasp on it to keep it closed, no leaking. Then the last things that go inside are the substrates I'm taking. These are some Cradled boards, a small one and a big one. I have a couple of plastic bags for rubbish, and I have my little rags to go with me. They go in the top pocket, along with some pepper spray. Can't be too careful. And then my Zel-kin medium and a little bit of Turps in a bottle. They're in the front pocket. And a couple of containers, one for my Turps and one for my Zel-kin, go in here, in the one side. And then my little lightweight aluminium easel fits really well in the other side pocket with these straps around it to hold it in place. And can't forget the apron, that also goes inside the main section. I also usually take along some water, some sunscreen, and a bigger hat than this. So that's it. all packed up. Let's go and weigh it. 5.1 kilos. So I'm ready to go painting.